Hello friends, I welcome you again to our channel Affairs 247X. So without wasting any further time, let's discuss current affairs of 23rd and 24th June 2021, all the current stuff which has happened in past 2 days. So we'll go through that. Without wasting any time, let's move on. Let's move ahead. So question number 1, which Indian origin person has recently been appointed as judge of Supreme Court of Canada? Options are Mohammad Jamal, Vishnupada Shakti, Moreshwar Donge, Ramnath Pal. So your correct answer is Mohammad Jamal. And for your static fact, you must be knowing that CJI, Chief Justice of India of Supreme Court of India, and its answer is N.V. Ramana. N.V. Ramana is CJI of Supreme Court of India. Now moving towards next question, when World Sickle Day is observed? Options are 23rd June, 17th June, 16th June and 19th June. Your correct option is 19th June. Now कुछ और डेट्स जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो भी हम देखते हैं, जैसे कि 19th जून को वर्ल्ड सिकल डे जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया। 15th जून को हम एल्डर अब्यूज अवेयरनेस डे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं एंड 20th जून को हम वर्ल्ड रेफ्यूजी डे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं। ये आप याद रखिएगा, ये इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स हैं। Now moving towards third question, that is who has written the book Beyond Hair and Others poem recently? Then your options are Vishnu Pada Shakti, Moreshwar Donge, Ramnath Pal, Mohammad Jamal. Your correct answer is Vishnu Pada Shakti. Now moving towards next question, question number 4. Recently, which country has been banned from competing in weightlifting in Tokyo Olympics? Which Tokyo Olympics? Options are Germany, Australia, option C Romania, then option D Australia. So your correct option is option number C, and that is Romania. So Romania has been recently banned from competing in weightlifting Tokyo Olympics. Now if we look at some static facts regarding Romania, so country being the Romania capital is Bucharest and its currency is Romania leu. Now heading towards next question, question number 5th. Who has recently been recognized by the United Nations Global Impact Compact as SDG Pioneer 2021? So your options are Moreshwar Donge, Ramnath Pal, Mohammad Jamal and Sumant Singha. The correct answer is Sumant Singha. Now next question, question number 6. World Refugee Day is observed on which day? Options are 20th June, 19th June, 23rd June and 16th June. So your correct option is 20th June. कुछ डेट्स ये भी मेंशन है, जैसे कि 19th जून हमने डिस्कस किया वर्ल्ड सिकल डे होता है। 15th जून हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं या हम बोल सकते हैं ऑब्जर्व करते हैं एल्डर अब्यूज अवेयरनेस डे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. व्हेन वर्ल्ड योगा डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड? 16th June, 15th June, 21st June and 22nd June. Your correct option is 21st June. On 21st June, we celebrate World Yoga Day. Question number 8. Who has recently been or become the brand ambassador of the smartphone brand OnePlus? Your options are Rahul Dravid, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Varun Avasthi and Jasprit Bumrah. So your correct answer is Jasprit Bumrah has become recently the brand ambassador of smartphone OnePlus. Now, some more static facts like who is the brand ambassador of MyLab? Akshay Kumar. Who is the brand ambassador of Chingari? Salman Khan. Okay, so these two are also important. So make sure you note this fact in your notebook. Question number 9. Recently, who has become the new president of Iran? Options are Ibrahim Raisi, second Mohammad Jamal, second Vishnupada Shakti, then third Moreshwar Donge. So your correct answer is Ibrahim Raisi. Ibrahim Raisi become the new president of Iran. The designation which I am mentioning you in this PDF, so those are also important stuff because also there are more chances to come in your examination because in designated later question they always ask in your examinations. So make sure you note this as well. Question number 10. Which ministry has released three draft strategies to boost the tourism sector after the COVID-19 pandemic? So options are Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Education. So your correct option is Ministry of Tourism. So Ministry of Tourism has released three draft strategies to boost the tourism sector after the COVID-19 pandemic. And who is now current Minister of Tourism, or we can say Minister of State? Prahlad Singh Patel. Make sure you remember it. Question number 11. Recently, Sanchari Vijay has died in road accident. He was what? He was dancer, actor, magician, comedian. He was an actor. This obituary you just remember. Devasna Diamond Company has got the world's third largest diamond in Jawang mine in which country? Options are Austria, America, Germany, Botswana. The correct answer is Botswana. So Devasma Diamond Company has got world's third largest diamond in Jawang mine which is in Botswana. Your static fact related to Botswana is its capital is Gaborone and currency is Pula. Botswana Pula. Question number 13. India and which neighboring country have signed a MOU for cooperation in the field of environment? Your options are Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Your correct answer is Bhutan. So, India has signed an MOU with Bhutan for the cooperation in the field of environment. Capital of country Bhutan's capital is Thimphu and currency is Bhutanese Nagultram. Question number 14. Who has recently released General Election 2019 and Atlas? Options are Ministry of Defense, then Home Ministry, then Election Commission, Ministry of Tours and Tourism. So correct answer is Election Commission has recently released General Election 2019 and Atlas. Question number 15. Which social media company has launched an initiative called Report It, Don't Share It? So your answer is your options are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter. The correct answer is Facebook. So Facebook has recently launched an initiative called Report It, Don't Share It. So who is CEO of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Twitter, Jack Dorsey. These are your all 15 questions, 15 important questions of past 2 days. We will be discussing more such current affairs on upcoming days. Stay tuned, stay focused. Without leaving, I have a question for your homework. Just answer the correct answer in the comment box. And the question is, which country has announced to issue a vaccine passport for Japanese travelers from next month? So your options are Japan, Bhutan, Australia, and America. This is a question, so solve it and comment your answers in the comment box. Let me know who is giving the correct answer and just subscribe to our channel. You will be getting all the latest stuff, latest news, okay, and PDFs are also available. And please subscribe, also follow our Instagram channel, okay. You will be getting daily current affairs and yes, all the other stuff regarding mathematics. So stay tuned, stay focused, okay. Till that, goodbye.